Hello everyone, my name is Long. Today I will introduce you to a software for spamming comments in groups. Step 1. Enter keywords to search for groups. The software will search for groups based on the number you install. The software will stop after it reaches the set number of requests. In this case, it will stop after processing 100 groups. After you finish, save the file to copy the UIDs. Step 2. Spam comments into the groups. Select the list of accounts to run. Configure the settings to match your device. Open the file containing the list of scanned groups from Step 1. Filter for non-moderated groups. Copy the UIDs column. Paste the listed groups into the group list section to start spamming comments. Select the content for spamming comments using previously saved content. Let's get started. Software that allows you to add and manage an unlimited number of accounts. You can add a proxy for each account to avoid being checkpoint. Chrome will be optimized for images while they are still loading. The software will have a history of comments that have been spammed. Try checking a few comments. While the software is running, you can still perform other tasks.
MKT, phần mềm marketing đa kênh hiệu quả, nhanh, dễ dùng.